I'm freaking lost. Wait, hold on. Can I unbarricade? Man, that's stupid. I would unbarricade that. Look at this. You can totally slide that off. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I don't think you can see it, but look at that. That you can slide that off if you wanted to. By the way, I'm not playing as the character Closingrain, I'm playing as the physical human Closingrain. So see, I told you I'm oh my god, I am lost. Oh no, where is number? Oh, there we go. Okay, so I've been through here. I can't believe this. I can't believe I'm saying this, but help me, ghost. I can't find my way out of here. Uh, I'm having an easier time. I mean, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I actually have an easier time playing Slender to 8 pages than this. I mean, yes, I got lost in Slender to 8 pages, and it took me, like, forever to find the Slender Man's, like, waiting in the background, like, patiently, like, oh my god, find the first page already. Find the first page already. And it's like, where is it at? I want to... Oh my gosh. Trust me, I'm alright to play video games with. But I ain't no PewDiePie. No, I'm no PewDiePie at all. I'm not afraid of this game because this game not scary. This game not scary enough. Man. And I already been in this place. I've been through this whole entire hospital and I don't even know where to go. All I hear is people stomping and making noise and stuff. Oh, am I supposed to go in here? Ooh, another one. Ooh, this is what I think of that game. I already been through here. I already opened all these doors. My thing just ran out of juice. Oh my god. Okay. How do you crouch? Oh crap! I done wasted. Well, I done wasted my flare. I found the flare thing. Yeah. Woo! Evil be rare. I got a flare. Is there anybody in there? Literally, where am I supposed to go? I mean, I know you're nice enough not to attack me the first time, but oh, that's cool. Am I supposed to go? Thank you! Oh my gosh! Thank you! Oh no. I can't get out! I can't get out! I can't get out! I think the real horror is because of this is a maze and stuff. You can't get out of this place. Wait, is there a second line? Is that line moving? Oh, I was about to say, I thought there was like gonna be like a line moving or something. I was about to say, wow, that's pretty cool. You can actually see where the monster is gonna come out at, which will kind of get rid of the scariness, but This game is confusing. I am lost. How come the flares gave me the trigger buttons? Why does it have to be the D-pad? Can I turn off the flashlight? I don't want to turn off the flashlight because everything's blinding me now. Wait, hold on. Can I actually lay down a... Can I lay down one of these things? Oh, I could take... Oh, wait, I can! I can lay it down! Can I pick it back up? You better believe I can't. What is that green thing? Hold on. What is that green thing? Man, if I figure out how to play this game, I'd be like screaming at myself through this video, like, "Oh my god, go that way, go that way." But the thing of it is, I don't look at maps, man. Like, I never looked at maps. That's like the first time I ever looked at a map. That's a brick wall. I know I'm not gonna go through that. Oh, that'd be freaky if there's something on the other end of it. Just like looking and just coughing. Cause you know ghosts get sick. You better believe ghosts get sick. Like, ooh. So, what am I supposed to be doing again? I mean, am I supposed to get like 8 pages, or am I supposed to just, I don't know, just run through this? What am I supposed to do? This video is gonna be horrible, and I'm gonna get like -1 like. I mean, negative 170 likes. I'm gonna be like, oh my gosh, look how many likes I got for this video. Oh no, I didn't get any likes. Oh wait, is this it? Thank you. Oh my gosh, thank you. Now where do I go with this? Where am I supposed to go with this? Does it take the I cannot. Sorry if I'm like, if I stutter a lot, because I can't talk very fast. I might be the personality of Pinkie Pie, but I can't go like Pinkie Pie can, like with the fast talking and stuff like that. Rah 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 rah. Rah rah, dark side. Rah 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 rah. Is there a way I can? Do I go into this door, or no? Do I ever go into a door? I mean, I try my best. I try my best, Daddy. But I can't get into the door. Something's fantastic. What? R here is fantastic. Translate fun fantastic is not a word, my friend. I looked it up in a dictionary before. I don't know how, but because that's a new word I never. Tell me in the comment section what this stands. Blah, blah, blah. Oh my gosh, my tongue is just so tied right now. I cannot talk. Well, that's what I get because I am not a good video person, I guess. I mean, I could do video games, but I can't do video games. You know, I can't do video games. Where am I supposed? Am I supposed to go like back down to the basement? That creepy basement where the oh, hello. Hello. Uh-oh, dubstep. Yeah, if this video is gonna be long, but hey, if you like and comment this video, I guess you'll get more of this, I guess. And if you subscribe, that'd be kind of good. I like subscribers. And also, if 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 you add this to your favorites, you get a cookie in the mail. So you get a cookie. It's gonna be covered in cockroaches, but you get a cookie. I can't imagine getting food in the mare. Talking about horses now. The mail. I mean, think about it. I mean, they are Amazon. Bleh, burp again. I never burped this much before. It must be the food that I ate today. But have you ever seen the Amazon like garden thing where you actually like or grocery thing where you actually get the ooh, new doors. Can I save and quit? Is there a way I can save and quit? Or is there like or does it automatically save or do I automatically quit? Hello? It's me, Mario. Nah, I'm just kidding. Yeah. This whole entire video is gonna be me talking to myself in my house, playing a video game, getting lost in a video game with this random video game footage, and that's about it. But oh, well, hello. Yes, finally. Woo, 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 woo. So am I gonna save? So yeah, all that stuff. So thanks for watching and Closingrain signing out.